Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Make sure your carrier plan is active and your account isn't suspended because you can't connect if service is barred. Next, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh radio connections. Check the SIM physically, reseat it or test with a known good SIM to isolate hardware versus account issues. Once done, move to software settings to validate APN and network selection so the device can authenticate correctly with the network. You now dive into the detailed fixes. Open mobile network settings and reset or manually set the APN to exact carrier values because wrong APN prevents data activation. Then change network mode, switch from LTE to 3G then back, and try manual carrier selection to force reconnection. Make sure carrier settings and the phone OS are up to date. These updates often include authentication fixes. If issues persist, clear network settings to erase corrupt entries, and then reboot to apply a clean configuration. You finish by validating the fix. Disable Wi-Fi and test data in multiple locations to rule out local coverage gaps because signal and cell congestion vary. If it still fails, contact the carrier, provide your IMEI and any error messages so they can check provisioning. As a final step, consider a factory network reset or full device backup and reset only if guided. This clears stubborn config conflicts. If that also fails, the carrier or a technician can escalate with network-side diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.